G'day everybody, we're back with the self-recovery kit, trying out the new Snatch rings. So you don't have heavy Snatch blocks weighing 3.5 kilos each, just have those Snatch rings weighing less than half a kilo each. They're brilliant. If we look down below, if we can see it, we got attached by soft shackle to a bow shackle, the bow shackle to the car. Okay, and then the anchor is actually attached to the bow shackle bolt, which is against the terms, so it shouldn't unravel. Then we come up here, where I've tied it off for the time being. Here's the soft Snatch rings and soft shackle to a tree protector attached to Jimmy, who's blocked, of course, handbrake and geared. He's the anchor. What we're going to do is we're pulling the car up the hill, and you can see there is a slope in quite a few degrees. I'm going to pull it up. I'm leaving the door open in case I have to race in and grab anything. But let's see. There we go. You can see on the other one how far we moved. That might be all you need to get out of trouble. I think if the anchor wasn't tied to the back of this, but we had it to a tree, we get more mechanical advantage. I don't know. I'll have to check the videotape Robert Prepper has put out on the different ways of snatch blocking. Yeah. Alright, I'm not under tension yet, so I'll step over. Okay, I'll switch to the two Snatch blocks down the bottom there. Let's see if this is any easier. Admittedly, it's steep. Seems a bit easier. Yeah, definitely seems a bit easier. Move about half the distance or so. So yeah, the Snatch blocks I think are more efficient, although they're only supposed to be like 0.1 or something, or a tenth of a percent, but they are more efficient. Or at least it felt that way. Could be the way I got it set up. In fact, I'm on my own. A lot of reasons. Okay, let's let this go slack. There we are. Step over while it's slack. So yeah, they're heavy, but slightly more efficient.